How to log in Quotex trading account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in Quotex trading account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.qxbroker.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Quotex. Here, tap on the Login button on the top right of your screen. You will then be led to the login portal of Quotex Trading. Go ahead and enter your email address and your password. And now, if you want the device to remember your login credentials, then tap on the Remember Me checkbox you see there, and further tap on the Sign In button, and with this you will be successfully signed in to Quotex account. Also, just in case if you do not remember your password, then tap on the Forgot Your Password option and further recover your password and log in further. You can also log in to Quotex Trading using your Facebook account or your Google account. So, this is how you can log in to Quotex Trading account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.